Elengo. For 100 naira ele. Guys, I'm off to Ibadan.
Wow.
That's my friend I stayed with.
Yeah. Hello.
So it's a Lagos to Ibadan vlog.
Exactly.
Today, come with me. I'm at the challenge.
Challenge now.
Hello. This is the Redeem Camp, and it's a popular landmark for people going to and from Lagos State. So this was about an hour plus into the journey, and when you're on such a journey, people get themselves busy in different manners. Some people sleep, some people just stare at the road, some people watch movies on their phones.
Got home some minutes back, and it took me almost exactly 2 hours from Oshodi car park to my house here in Ibadan. I left Oshodi at 2:09 and I got home at 4:11 p.m. So that's like approximately 2 hours. And there was actually no traffic on the road today, as in it was a smooth ride. It was a smooth ride, there was no traffic. The bus went into the filling station for about 5 minutes to fill up, to buy petrol. So that also took like 5 minutes. But overall, I think it's cool. It is okay. 2 hours. It's a 2 hours journey from Lagos to Ibadan with no traffic. Because trust me, if there was traffic, it would spend 6 hours on that road. If this is your first time on the channel and you're yet to become a part of the family, please hit on the subscribe button below and also hit the bell beside it so that you get notified of future videos just like this. So let me know if you love travel vlogs, and I'll keep them coming. Thanks so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.